Hello, welcome to Scratch 3D Printing. In this video, I'll be cleaning my K1 Max. Let's scratch today's topic. Ever since I got my K1 Max, I have not cleaned the K1 Max at all, especially the rods and just do maintenance on it. Of course, I changed the hot and the nozzle, do the bed leveling, adjust the belt, and make sure that it's very level. But I've been printing this thing for almost a year, 10 months now. I got it on December, so in just 2 months, it will be 1 year of the K1 Max ownership. But besides that, I have not cleaned the rods or do a proper maintenance on the K1 Max at all. I have not even checked out the filter at the back. In this video, I'll try to clean and lubricate and check everything on the K1 Max to the best of my belief and the way that I know how to, and what I have seen online of showing how to clean a 3D printer. It's not gonna be like do this, do that. It's just me cleaning my 3D printers. I'm just doing it because I feel like the print quality is printing a little bit worse than what it used to be printing. So I'm just gonna try and clean my K1 Max and freshen up the K1 Max a bit. But let me know in the comments down below how to properly clean a 3D printer, or what is your style, your ways of cleaning a 3D printer. But enough talking, let's go over power up the K1 Max and start cleaning. So first, I'm gonna home the 3D printer. I'll make the 3D printer go up and down, back and forth. The first thing I'm gonna do is clean these rods, the 3 rods, and then I'll clean the screw, and then I'll do all of those. I got these used up microfiber towel, so what I'm gonna do is just put my finger here and then just make the screw go up and down. Look at all this gunk. It could just be the grease. Okay, time to make it go back up. Wow, just from one side, it's so nasty. Time to do the other two. Looks like they fixed this up and down, because I remember when you press the down button, it goes up, and when you press the up button, it goes down. But now if you press down, it goes down. If you press up, it goes up. That's nice. Cleaning the bottom. I like how the K1 Max doesn't really have any huge gap at the bottom where screw or stuff can fall in there. Because when I got the Creality K1 Pro, there were gaps, huge gaps at the bottom, and stuff keeps falling in there. Screws, stuff like that. Clean all the rods and then I'll re-lubricate them. Oh, I need to unhome this now, so that I can move it freely. Okay, now that we got everything clean, I'm gonna throw this away. It's so nasty now. I'll be using this metal grease from Creality. From the time when I got this K1 Max, this was open and I think it was used on this 3D printer, and I did not get a new one. I guess I'll just do a full loop through everything. Hopefully I got enough. I feel like it's not even anything in there anymore. So just do a quick run like this. I think I have to use my finger. Just do something like this, and then I'll just move the bed up and down. Then I'll do the print head. Not needed, but it's better. Yep, I'm gonna use my hand so that I can get fully 360 in there. You can't get things done if you don't get your hands dirty. I learned it the hard way. Every single time I try to fix something or do something, this, for example, if you don't use your hand, you just use this thing, you just get one side and you won't get a full 360 coverage if you don't use your finger and really do it. Same thing with every other maintenance. If you don't use your own fingers and get your hands dirty, then the jobs won't be done properly. It will be done, but it's not gonna be as good as you want. So if you want things done, you need to get your hands dirty. Same thing with fixing cars, Same with fixing house. If you don't get your hands dirty, it won't be done. It will be done very poorly. Now let's move this print head around and lubricate the middle portion of it. Okay, everything is lubed, so we're just gonna move it around. And yeah, I know it's just pushing these like to the sides, but at least it's, you know, a little bit slippery. There we go. I think that's pretty decent. I guess we can use the access for these. So I'm just gonna home the seat, and then I'll move the bed up and down like 1 time or 2 times, and then we are good. Okay, time to move it all the way down. Okay, there we go. Nice. Maximum value reach. Oh my gosh, dude, this brings so much memories back. By making this bed all the way down, looks like I just got a brand new 3D printer, and now I'm just like starting everything up. Man, the memory. Okay, whoa, that was hard. Took out this air filter or carbon filter. I think that's what they call it. Carbon air filter. I just took it out from the back end. You can see that it does have some nasty stuff there. What is this shaking stuff in there? It is pretty nasty. This is the outside and this is the inside. You can see all these stuff. How do I get these out? Can I just use a vacuum? Looks like you can't. You cannot use a vacuum. But hey, I guess I'll get a replacement in the future. But as of right now, I'll just put it back. Okay, well, I think that's pretty much it. It looks all brand new now. All the rods don't have those black gunk. It has the white gunk now, and everything seems pretty nice. So everything seems pretty fresh now. I cleaned the bed, I cleaned the bottom, the side, check the filter, lubricate everything, and I think it's good to go. Well, as you saw there, I just cleaned my K1 Max, and I think I did a pretty decent job, won't you say? Yeah, not quite sure if that's exactly how it's gonna be properly cleaned, but hey, that's how I do it. And it's been almost a year since I got the K1 Max and have not do any proper maintenance like that on it. I changed the nozzle here and there, do bad leveling, but that's pretty much it, right? You gotta do that with every single 3D printer. But I feel like in about 6 months or so, you gotta clean your 3D printer or just lubricate the rod once in a while. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. What is your proper way of clean it, make it look brand new again, and or just like maintenance it? I just recently changed the nozzle, so that's not really a problem right now. It's just the rod catching a little piece of 3D printed part, so sometimes it's like crunching the 3D printed parts within the rod itself. So I decided to, finally keep it clean, and I think it's gonna print a lot better. But that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep on 3D printing.